Hey guys, today we're trying something different. We're gonna cook. Let's break it on over the table. Tick, 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 boom. Alright guys, first things first, let's go over what we're gonna be cooking. Gotta have the ingredients laid out. One nice thick onion. Love onions. I love the smell of them, and I love a nice strong onion. There's only me eating, so one potato, just a russet potato. I love peppers as well. I don't know what it is, the combination of peppers and onions and the smell of a pepper. Love it. I've got a little bit of pepper. I've got a little bit of garlic and herbs. I love red pepper. Kicks it up a little bit, puts a little spice into it, gives it a little punch. So I like that. And we're gonna be cooking chicken breasts on skewers, but I'm taking them off the skewers because I cook cast iron. So let's get started. All right guys, first thing we're gonna do is get the potato going because potatoes take the longest to cook. And although they're delicious and they complement the meal, if you don't have them done, then you're just like basically eating a good meal with a raw potato. So let's cut this sucker up, throw it in a skillet with some water and get it cooking. Even the smell of a nice raw potato, man, I'm telling you, just fresh ingredients, period. Instead of going to, the fast food burger joints. This is what makes being outside so special, when you can cook a meal and you're very involved with it, and it's got that nice fiery taste to it. A lot of people say, hey Madison, do you like to leave the skin on your potatoes? Yes, I like to leave the skin on my potatoes. I don't know why, it's what my dad always did, so that's what I always do. We'll just take and scrape that right into our cast iron there. Here we go. We're gonna put a little pepper on here. Oh man, look at that. Right there, that is gonna be some good stuff. We'll throw a little bit of ground black pepper on there as well. And we're gonna call that good. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil on there. And homemade spatula, right out of the woods here. Just kind of mix that up a little bit, get that oil covering over all those potatoes and all those red peppers in there, the hot peppers. Man, this is gonna be good. We got the potatoes going. They're softening up. Next step, onion and the pepper. I'm telling you what guys, I wish you could be here to smell what this pepper smells like, because it is just unbelievable. I'm gonna cut these up just a little bit, keep them kind of diced. Things cook a little bit faster when they're smaller pieces, although there is a time and a place for nice long strips like this. I'm actually starving. I need some food, quick, fast, and in a hurry. Hey, while I'm thinking about it guys, What is your favorite outdoor meal to cook? Is it steak? Chicken? I know a lot of hunters are out there. What's your favorite game to cook? Onion time. I feel like I'm gonna cry all of a sudden. Have this overwhelming need to cry. Look at how pretty that is. That's good stuff. All right, guys, let's add this to the potatoes. Man, does that look good. We had the veggies over there cooking. It's time to get the meat on. Let's put a little garlic and herb on this as well. It's already in some teriyaki. I just want to give a little bit of something else. We'll put a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pan down there. And let's get this on the fire. Oh yeah, gotta get those crunchies in there. I think that's the best part of cooking over a fire with cast iron. You get a little bit of burnt stuff in there, it gives you that flavor. Not a lot of it, just a little bit of burnt stuff. That's all you really need. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, cook it, cook it, cook it. This is gonna be so good. You should all be jealous of me right now. Whew. That would have been terrible. This whole thing just almost fell over. I would have, I'd been eaten off the ground. This is gonna be so good. Silverware. All right, guys, let's dig in here and see what we got. Let's get a little of that, a little of this. Cut that up a little bit. Oh man, this chicken looks so tender and so juicy. That is so good. It's not even funny, that is so good. And I'm not even a good cook. But this is so good. The chicken is super juicy. Vegetables are done. Oh man, guys, I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna feast on this. I hope you enjoyed the video. You know what? This might be a series. Put some stuff in there that you would like to see me cook. I am not experienced at all. I am just starting this stuff, but it is so much fun to cook over a campfire. And the best part of cooking is the part where you get to eat it. So, hope it inspires you to get out there, cook some food over a fire, guys. And until next week, get out of the inside and into the outside. Oh, don't forget, look me up on Instagram. That's bombproof_bushcraft. Also take a look at Facebook, Bombproof Bushcraft. I'm also having a 8 o'clock every Friday. I am on Bushcraft, Survival, Primitive Skills, Mickey Wilson. I'm on a live feed and I talk to you guys through the comments and we talk about bushcraft and stuff every single Friday, 8 o'clock. And library, LBRY, don't know what it is, Google it. I'm on there as well. I'm getting back to my food now. Take care. Oh, my belly. My belly is so bloated and distended. I ate too much food. Oh. Oh, too much food.